Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Building apps using TanStack Start. Starting May 13, new projects will use TanStack Start for server-side rendering, enabling integrated server functions and improved performance, while existing projects retain current functionality with added pre-rendering for better crawler readability. Watch fans react to every goal of England v Mexico game. England defeated Mexico 3-2 to advance to the World Cup quarter-finals, with fans in both Mexico City and the UK reacting enthusiastically to the goals throughout the match. Building an HTML-first site doubled our users overnight. A utility company doubled its users overnight by rebuilding its website with an HTML-first approach using Astro, after previous React-based attempts failed due to poor performance and accessibility issues. The new site prioritized universal compatibility and reliability, eliminating dependency on JavaScript while maintaining essential functionality through progressive enhancement. British space startup launches longevity lab into orbit. A British startup has launched an autonomous laboratory into orbit to study disease-causing proteins in zero gravity, aiming to advance longevity research by conducting experiments impossible on Earth due to gravitational interference. The grapefruit-sized pod, built by Austrian company Tumbleweed, will orbit Earth for months while automatically measuring and transmitting data about cellular behavior in microgravity. Shadcn/UI now defaults to base UI instead of Radix. Shadcn/UI now defaults to base UI as the primary component library, following its stability and growing adoption, with base UI reaching version 1.6.0 and over 6 million weekly downloads. The transition maintains backward compatibility, while offering improved components and regular updates from the same team behind Radix UI. Watch. World Cup fans react to US defeating Australia to reach knockout round. US fans celebrated in Seattle after their team's 2-0 victory over Australia secured a spot in the World Cup knockout round. Supporters flooded the streets wearing national colors to commemorate the win. The Super Bowl winner's son stepping into spotlight with USA. Alex Freeman, son of Super Bowl winner Antonio Freeman, scored his first World Cup goal to help the USA defeat Australia 2-0 and advance to the knockouts, marking a significant milestone in his football career, while following in his father's athletic footsteps. Global leaders react to announcement of US-Iran peace agreement. The United States and Iran have agreed on a framework to end their war, halt the US blockade, and reopen the Strait of Hormuz, with global leaders including the UN Secretary-General, European nations, Australia, and Austria welcoming the deal as a step toward peace, while emphasizing the need for continued diplomatic engagement. Applying brevity and language efficiency in prompt engineering. Budgeteer AI models like GPT 4.1 Mini and Llama 3.3-70B can match 8090 of top-tier performance for technical tasks when prompted effectively, offering cost-efficient solutions for developers and students in regions like Southeast Asia and India. This guide provides strategies for writing concise, high-impact prompts and selecting the right models for specific tasks. Irq doubles down as Iran-US MOU jeopardized by Hormuz strikes. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps escalated military strikes against U.S. targets in retaliation for American-led naval operations in the Strait of Hormuz, jeopardizing a recent Iran-U.S. Memorandum of Understanding. The Irq launched ballistic missiles and drones at U.S. bases in Kuwait and Bahrain, while Iran's foreign minister asserted the country's exclusive control over the strategically vital waterway. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.